Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going and searching in my files that I find this PowerPoint that I'm creating for the kids postcard and kids PowerPoint. It's really amazing for kids and you can use it. It has a great effect and it's really easy to make. You can't think about how easy this slide is to make. Okay, let's go and see how we can make it. Before going to see that, don't forget to like and subscribe. It means a word to me. Okay, at first we delete this to create a blank file. We need to create these two shapes. How we can create them? We insert a shape. Don't forget to press shift for your shape. Before creating like that, insert shapes and use shift. Okay, this is our first shape. This is our second shape. Now we need to align them in center. How we can do this? Maybe some of you have something in their mind, but you can easily by activating the ruler thing make it in the center, or you can use grid and guide. Vertical guide. By having vertical guide, you can put it at the vertical. Okay, I have active them for now, but I don't really like to work with them. You can disable them every time you want. We go to shape format and we delete our shape outline. We need to create these effects. How we can create them? It's easily one of the effects in present. I think it's something like this. Okay, you can see it's something like this. We created the effect. Now we need to paste the text. I just simply copy the text and paste them because it's an easy work, don't need anything to say. After pasting the text, we need to create this design. How we can create it? Okay, let's go and see how we can create it. It's using a video. We just simply go to insert, and in insert we go to videos and stock videos. Wait a little for you loading the stock videos and you can freely find this video here. And for this video, let's insert it. It take a little while, but it's fast. We send it to back. The effect has been created, but the thing we need is that shape, that guitar. How we can create this? We don't need to draw it or use any shapes. We just go to video stocks and from illustrations you can find it. There are some beautiful shapes. I love to use them. We are going to use them a lot, but insert this guitar. And now we need to put it here. Now you can see we have a problem. What a problem? These two are smaller than this. So what we do, we simply press here, press shift and make it smaller. Press shift, make it smaller. And then press shift and drag them a little up. We put it here. Now we need to create these two. These two are what? These two are icons. Which icons? Let's go and see. We can add them here from icons. In the icons, let's see. Oh, here. I think they must be here. I can't find them. Like always, I am too bad at finding these things. I can't find them. I can't find them. Let's for now. Oh, find them. I find them. I'm so blind when it's go to finding the items. After we adding the items, we just simply put them down. And our PowerPoint is ready. Now we just need to change the change the now we need to just change the text. I can have a lesson on pasting, but it's for now we don't need them. Page 1, page 2, okay, we created. Now I want to give you some additional tip. You can make these two like buttons to use. How we can make them like buttons? We click in here, go to insert and link it. You can link it in the document we are in a slide 2, we'll link it to a slide 1, for example. And what it do, it's simply when you run this slide, by clicking here, you can go to past the slide. Okay, it's a little tip. We are going to use it in more advanced mode in another templates, but not for now. Now, the thing we just need to do is using some transition. I use morph and our effect is ready. But we can do something that maybe is fun. What we can do, we can paste the page for here. It's just for making something maybe fun or maybe interesting, and send it to back. Okay, let's see. Sorry, we can't send it to back. We just need to bring this to front. We can't send this to back. Let me make it a neat. Okay, let's run it and see what happened. This is the page 1, and when we go to page 2, it's a little bookmark animation, and it's good and easy to create. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are in our way to 1,000 subscribers. We are really near. Don't forget, we need your supports. I'm getting a little exhausted because we are creating more than 1,200 videos. But until now, we didn't reach 1,000 subscribers. But I need your supports. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comments. I really need your help. Have a good day.